Hi, my name is Matthew Fernandez,
My name is Diego Gutierrez.
and we're the team Green Pants. Today we're studying canopy cover change in managed and unmanaged riparian buffer zones in Marin County. As environmental studies students, we often think about the importance and moral obligations of protecting natural reserves and maintaining healthy ecosystems. This is why we would like to look and analyze canopy cover and its proximity to rivers and assessing whether there are any significant changes over time. Golden Gate National Recreation Area, aka GOGA, includes ecologically and historically significant lands around the San Francisco Bay Area. Canopy cover has been decreasing in the Golden Gate National Park recreational area, and this affects the riparian ecosystem that Neotropical migrant and resident birds use for protection in California. Canopy cover within Marin County is increasingly important with the growing effects of climate change. We are analyzing the health of riparian ecosystems based on canopy cover density around riparian zone buffers through multiple stream orders. These habitats will also be analyzed between GOGA regulated areas and non-regulated areas to assess the effectiveness of GOGA's jurisdiction. A healthy canopy cover denotes several signs of a healthy ecosystem for many different animals, including fish, birds, and obviously plants. Fallen trees serve as nutrients for the soil and safety zones for young fish like coho salmon and steelhead.
According to Wenger, riparian zones help in trapping sediment runoff, nutrients that lead to eutrophication, and other contaminants like pesticides, as well as maintaining safe ecosystem parameters for species. Riparian widths should be measured with factors including slope, erodibility, and vegetation type, according to Hawes and Smith. Using Hawes and Smith's methods of a three-zone system, the riparian zones would have a minimum width of 32 meters for lower order streams and a maximum of 90 meters for higher class streams lower in the watershed. What's the deal? How has canopy cover percent changed within managed riparian buffer zones between the years of 2001 and 2014? How could these changes in canopy cover potentially affect healthy watersheds and habitats for different species? We will also look at the changes in canopy cover in unmanaged areas.
For our methods, we first clip rivers, canopy cover, study units, all to Marin County. River clips stayed the same between the years because the river data did not change. Canopy cover changed, however, between 2001 and 2014. We then created buffers for all rivers with a 30-meter buffer, 60, and 90-meter. After creating these buffers, we clipped the rivers to managed and non-managed areas, using zonal statistics for each buffer within managed and non-managed areas between 2001 and 2014. With the Zonal Statistics tool and model builder, we found the means for both years within each of the three buffers.
Here's an example of how we place buffer zones around the rivers within Marin County. As you can see, they are evenly placed, showing 30-meter, 60-meter, and 90-meter buffer zones. Here we have a map of unmanaged areas wherein rivers are located in concentrated canopy cover zones and also unconcentrated canopy cover zones. As you can see, the concentrated canopy cover zones around rivers is located near Point Reyes. Here we have an example of the managed areas that belong within the GOGA barriers, and their canopy cover is only concentrated within three very small areas.
With our model, we were able to run all our zonal statistics, pulling from our geodatabase all of the canopy cover data from both 2001 and 2014. This gave us output tables with mean canopy cover from both years at the same time, each for specified buffers and unmanaged and managed areas.
After running the zonal statistics, we noticed that the mean percent change of canopy cover within owned and managed areas have decreased within all three buffer zones. Zonal statistics also show that the mean canopy cover percentage in unmanaged areas have increased within the three buffer zones we placed. Despite these results, it is hard to evaluate the overall health of the riparian ecosystem within Marin County. Further study must be conducted in analyzing how the changes of canopy cover within these riparian buffer zones affect water quality, light availability, habitat suitability, and soil erosion rates within the GOGA areas. Huge thanks to Professor Fernanda, Professor Megan, and Professor David.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.